The second wall being built, constructed, for where the laundry room's gonna go. It'll be a tiny laundry room, but it's still gonna be in the house, which is awesome. So here's the first wall. And then he's working on the second one. That'll go up. So that'll be up shortly. We have painters here. They're painting. Oops, wait, I know I'm in the way. Okay, I'll show you what coat one looks like. They painted one coat. These painters are awesome. We originally we hired Elite Pro Painting. Her name's Jamie. They're awesome. Did our exterior and did our ceilings, which look amazing for a 120-year-old house. And then we hired Ronnie to come and do the walls. I primed them, but he's painting them. So this is coat one. He hasn't done the trim yet, but it's really pretty. Light green, everything looks real bright and cheery. I still see some of the character cracks. I can only patch so much, but it looks pretty good. And then they're working in the and we have a couple of electricians who are awesome. We would highly recommend anywhere around Indianapolis. And I don't know if they could see Devin Sloan. I can hook you up with his number. He does awesome work, really reasonable. Yeah, they're out there working on the panel. But he's here with his dad. A really good electrician, easy to work with, very, very reasonable. Devin Sloan is his name. If you need his information, let me know and I will send it to you. The work continues.